pretty awesome. All right, so today we have the Daniel Defense Mk18, chambered in 5.56. So yeah, let's start. Pretty basic shit, right? If you want all the specs, you can go online, check those out. We're gonna do a quick little shoot review today. Run maybe 75 to 100 rounds through it, heat it up just a bit, see what we think. First we got the Law Tactical. Oh, it's not an SBR, I'm sorry. Might have already said that, but just in case I haven't, let me correct it. This is the Mk18 pistol. All right, it's got the Law Tactical side folding stock, pretty slick. I like it. It does give it a good shoulder, but still, I mean, if you're gonna go SBR, do it right. I wouldn't recommend it this way. All right, moving back. 10.5 or 10.3 inch barrel. I like this setup. I'd probably go with a little bit different optic on there. It's not going to be a 100-yard gun. It's not going to be a 200-yard gun. It can shoot that, absolutely, no doubt about it. But if this is close quarter stuff, you know, I do like the EOTechs for under 20 yards and whatnot and clearing. I do like the 65 MOA circle, followed by the 1 MOA. But this is an AimPoint Pro on here today. It's a sick looking gun, man. Hands down, no doubt about it. It's pretty badass. I'm even a little impressed with it. We just got 0, and then I got a little trigger happy, and I was like, well, fuck it. You know, we're here to shoot it. Let's shoot it. So anyway, Daniel Defense Mk12 pistol. See what you can do. All right. Moving back to 18 yards. Gonna see what we think. All right, wind's picking up a little bit. Did some play shooting, that's fine. I'm now gonna do some accuracy shots. Went back to 36 yards now, dead even on it, and see what we can do. Not bad, 36 yards. So yeah. well, I'm really impressed with this. I don't have my tack gear, and I'm just running out of my pockets, which is kind of fucking embarrassing, but still. 18 yards. Oh, right there. Still, other than that, we'll do that. We'll do that all day. And just for the record, that's me on top of this target. So, you know, one flyer. Still, I like it. All right, so the wind's picked up, but here's my final review on the Dangle Defense Mk18 pistol, 10.3 inch barrel, long, tactical, side folding stock. I ran this thing hot, ran it hard. I stretched it out to 200 yards, started hitting plates at 2 to 240 yards, ran it at 10 yards, 15, 20, 18 yards, easy 30, but I like it. I like it a lot. I would, in the words of Ferris Bueller, if you have the means, I highly recommend you pick one of these up. So, well, I'm gonna keep this short. We're gonna go check out the target real quick. Wind's picked up, maybe somewhere around, I don't know, 20 to 25. It's gonna be gusting 30s to 40s. Anyway, so we bumped back out from the 45-yard mark and just kept in, and not bad. I think we took about 20 more shots, and not terrible. I mean, Dangle Defense Mk18. I'm gonna have to buy one of these. Might even have to buy two. I mean, I love this fucking gun.